Stay tuned for an update to my garage home brewery and an exciting collaboration announcement. Before I get started with my garage brewery update, I'm excited to announce an upcoming project with a commercial brewer based out of Northern Virginia. He's also a fellow brew tuber and his channel's focused on recipe development. We plan on sharing this collaboration effort on both our YouTube channels. The plan is to take a commercial recipe and brew it on my do-it-yourself homebrew electric HERMS system. We're going to talk about recipe design, I'm going to walk you through my brewing process, and we're going to wrap up the video by comparing the commercial beer to my homebrew beer. More information to come, but we're excited to share this experience with you. Now back to my brewery update. Since I installed this garage brewery, I've been wanting to add a backsplash to help protect against any spills or moisture during the brew day. Any benefit of a more attractive brewery is a bonus. Consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up if this video is helpful.
I picked up this wooden pallet board vinyl wrapping that covers 500 square feet for a little under $40. I plan to apply this wrapping above the table all the way to the ceiling. As for the wall behind the table, I wanted something a little bit more durable. I picked up two 12 feet by 24 inch metal roof strips for around $60. Before I applied the backsplash, I prepped the wall by removing the TV, filled in holes, and wiped down the wall for the vinyl wrapping. I then measured the width of my brew table and marked the wall to align the vinyl wrapping strips. The material was pretty easy to work with and also forgiving when I had to reposition the strip after applying it to the wall. The edges of the wrapping look uneven right now, but I plan to apply end caps on each side of the backsplash. While I had my brew table down, I swapped the wooden feet with a set of plastic post anchors. The plastic feet should be easier to clean. I then measured and cut the metal roofing strips to size, laid them out on the wall, and screwed the sheets in.
So that's a wrap on my garage brewery update. Let me know what you think. I thought it was time well spent adding an extra layer of protection on my walls, and I think it makes my garage brewery look a little nicer. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I have an upcoming collaboration project, so make sure to look out for that video. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if you haven't already, maybe check out this video or this one. See you next time. Cheers.